everyone, and a very warm welcome. Just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Rumba practice routine number 8, and this was taught in the online Zoom class on the 17th of April 23. So if you're in my video library and you want to see the full 1 hour class along with the quick step section as well, then head over and look for the 17th of April 23. This is just a very, very short summary. If you think I'm going too fast, that's because we cover this at length in the class. I'm going to turn around and make a little start. We started with 4 basics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. I then did a spot turn and didn't quite finish the turn. I took the right foot over, 2, pivot around, 3. Instead of going sideways on 4, I went forwards on 4. Transferring the weight fully over, pushing up onto the heel, locking in the leg, and I'm going to do a spiral turn to the left on 1. I'm going to walk out to the fan. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I then walk on for the hockey stick. 2, 3, 4. Half a back basic, 2, 3, slide on 4, fencing line, 2, 3, 4. 6 walks, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Weight is on the front. Going to do little rocks, back, forwards, and back again. So 2, 3, 4. I'm going to swing this left leg, hook it under, turn around, weight is on that right leg. I'm going to sink down into that right leg, larger ronde, leave it long and wide, turn around and sit down. And then there's some shaping. Let's look at all that again. Section 1, 4 basics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Section into the spot turn and then the spiral out to fan. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Finish it with a hockey stick exit. 2, 3, 4, 1. Half a back basic, 2, 3, 4, 1. Fencing line, 2, 3, 4, 1. 6 walks, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Rocking, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. You can put some arms in as well when you feel like it. So like I said, very short summary, just a little recap, just to get this in the list. If you're watching this on YouTube, please think about hitting that subscribe button and help me grow the channel, reach more people. If you're already in my video library, then thank you so much for supporting me. And we have already just launched a few more options in the membership levels there. So we have our free option, we actually have a video library option, and we have an additional option for live classes as well. So head over to the website livetodance.eu if you're not already there and take a little look at what is on offer. All the links are below if you're watching this in YouTube. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye bye.